So this is that. Today we'll now be doing question 2 of 2019. So, right now the degree n. Well, this is obvious. Assuming you know the triangular formula, which of course you don't. N equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus n, which you know and you can derive the Gauss formula on the triangle numbers. It's n plus 1 over 2. Yeah, simple. By setting x equals 1, explain why a max is greater than or equal to 2k over n plus 1. So, setting x equals to 1, we have 2k equals to a naught plus a1 plus a2 plus plus an. So this means a max is greater than or equal to 2k over n plus 1. And the result follows. Fix I is greater than or equal to 0. Explain why the value of ai eventually becomes constant. Once k is greater than or equal to I, then ai becomes constant. This is because every further bracket includes powers of x too large to contribute. So this means the optimal is that 1 is, this means I is less than or equal to 1. That way, that means it will converge to what's known as an infinite series. Then, on the basis of this calculation, still gets us ai is a n minus I. So we don't replace x with x minus 1. What we do is notice the underlying symmetry. So if we take a symmetric object and multiply it by another symmetric object, it becomes another more symmetric object, right? So 1 plus x times 1 plus x squared is symmetric. Multiplied by 1 plus x cubed is symmetric. And then the same argument was if you try substituting x power n minus 1. So on the basis of the same calculation, the student guesses that all whole numbers in these range appear amongst these coefficients. Use part 2 to show in this case the student is wrong. The n plus 1 coefficient and the largest coefficient at least 2k n plus 1. So all whole numbers, then we need that a max is n plus 1. So this means that 2k is less than n plus 1 squared equals to k plus 1 over 2 plus 1 squared, which in this case is wrong. Using big O notation, k plus 1 over 2 plus 1 squared and 2k are two completely different functions. So when you plot these functions on decimals, it might be that a polynomial function actually trumps 2 to the power of k. But in this case, the crossover point is 13. When n equals to 14 or higher, not all the numbers will show up. So, see you in another MAT video.